I'm searching for something that I can't reach. Your little brother never tells you that he loves you so. You said your mother only smiled on her TV show. You're only happy when your sorry head is filled with dope. I hope you make it to the day you're 28 years old. You're tripping like you're saturated sunlight. You're spilling like an overflowing sink. You ripped it every edge, but you're a masterpiece. And I'm tearing through the pages in the ink. My ghost, where'd you go? I can't find you in the body sleeping next to me. My ghost, where'd you go? What happened to the soul that you used to be? I went down to a place in Brooklyn where you tripped on LSD, and I found myself reminded far away from me. And there's a storm you're starting now. And there's a storm you're starting. And there's a storm you're starting now. And there's a storm you're starting. Everything was blue. His pills, his hands, his jeans. And now I'm covered in the colors pulled apart at the seams. It makes me blue.
Yeah, we're roommates. We're roommates. Yay! Get a room. Look at that bed too, because that mine. Your bed is ugly. Mine.